always been the 250F, raced predominantly in the Formula 1 World Championship in the 1950s.
His father contacted him and he was away by telegraph at the time. They managed to secure one for Sterling to fly. And Sterling asked him where the money had come from, and his father had to
ladies and gentlemen, is music to our ears. It's the Maserati 250F. The Maserati 250F, hugely successful in Formula 1 and in motorsport in the 1950s. It wasn't the days of Formula 1 where a car lasted a year, then they upgraded it the following season. The 250F competed in 46 Formula 1 championships, 77 entries, 8 different wins. Manuel Fangio won his 5th and final World Championship behind the wheel of a 250F. His greatest victory, his last ever victory at the Nürburgring, came in a 250F. And Sterling Moss as well, Phil, was somebody who drove one of these great cars.